Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to activate your Metro Bank ATM card in 2025. Whether you're a new customer or just got a replacement card, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes from the comfort of your home. By 2025, Metro Bank has made things even easier with enhanced security features like biometric verification, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything you need. You'll need your new ATM card, your registered mobile phone, and access to the Metro Bank app or website. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, head to your app store and grab it. It's free and user-friendly. Step 1. Open the Metro Bank app and log in with your existing account credentials. If you're a new user, use the one-time activation code sent to your email or phone during card delivery. Once logged in, navigate to the Card Services section. It's usually right on the dashboard. Step 2. Select Activate New Card and enter the 16-digit card number printed on the front of your card. Don't worry if you can't find it, it's clearly labeled. Next, the app will prompt you to set up or confirm your PIN. Choose a strong, memorable PIN, maybe something only you know, and double-check it to avoid any errors. Step 3. For added security in 2025, you'll need to verify your identity. This could involve a quick fingerprint scan if your phone supports it, or a simple facial recognition check. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once verified, hit the Confirm Activation button. You'll get an instant notification that your card is ready to use. If you run into any issues, like an error message, don't panic. Just contact Metro Bank's 24/7 support line or chat feature in the app. They're super helpful. And remember, always keep your card secure to prevent fraud. There you have it, you've successfully activated your Metro Bank ATM card. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips. See you in the next video.